Hi, everybody. This is your PED-110 instructor again, Brian Kaprowski. I hope that you're having a great Wednesday morning so far. I just wanted to go over the assignments that are coming up here in the class and wanted to let you know exactly what to pay attention to and what will be due next Wednesday. I have the syllabus here opened up so you can see. Just a reminder that tonight your concepts 1 and 2 labs, the written assignments and quizzes are going to be due at 11:59 p.m. So just keep that in mind. I want to also start looking in advance here using the syllabus at what's coming up for next week. So next week, you're going to have the concepts 3 and 4, the labs and written assignments and quizzes that are going to be due. In addition to that, you're going to have your first exercise log in the class that will be due as well. And those are all to be due on Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Excuse me. So what I would like to do now is I want to go over the exercise logs, and to find them, you click on your course content, and then you're going to see a folder titled exercise logs. Click on that folder, and the exercise log document will be here. We're going to open that up, and I want to go over it with you again. Okay, so this document, I would ask that you would start working on it no later than today. Ideally, I wanted you to start working on it last week, but if you waited till today, you can start today. This will be the last day for you to start. So on this log, so you're going to download it, and then you're going to start completing this log throughout this coming week. Okay, and the first question on this log is to record your resting heart rate when you first wake up in the morning. To check your pulse, it's recommended that you check it for 1 minute, and you can check your radial pulse, which would be on the thumb side of your wrist. And that's required that you take that 3 times per week. Okay. I also would like for you to record your body weight in the morning on the day that you're turning in this lab. For most of you, that'll be next Wednesday, which would be the 3rd, February the 3rd. But you could record it on the 2nd as well on that Tuesday. It's up to you. I also ask that you record your body mass index. You want to record that on the morning that you are turning in each of your lab. And to learn how to do that, please copy that URL and paste it into your browser, and it will show you the steps that you will need to take to find this calculation. I would ask that you would perform some active aerobic activity each week, and I want you to name the activity that you're going to be involved in. For example, if you're going to walk, indicate that you're walking, indicate the days that you are doing that activity, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the length of time that you're performing it as well. So for example, 20 minutes as shown here. Stretching exercises, please perform those and list all pre and post stretches that are accomplished each day. Ideally, that will be before you perform your physical activity. So some total body flexibility routine would suffice for the pre and post. If you perform any recreational activities, please indicate the name of the activity and the time involved. If you participate in any kind of sporting activity, indicate the name of the activity and the time involved. And if you're weight training, please indicate the name of the exercise that you're performing, as well as the number of sets and reps. And in addition to that, please indicate the weight that you are lifting. So once you fill this sheet out, and you're going to turn this sheet in next Wednesday, so save this document to your computer, and then I need you to go and I need you to click on the exercise log 1, which will be due next Wednesday, February the 3rd, and I want you to submit that document into this folder here. Okay. All right. Looking ahead beyond that, for next Wednesday, you are going to have to do the concepts 3 and 4 assignments as I showed previously on the course calendar. Okay, so when we click on that, you're going to see what is going to be due for the concepts 3 and 4. So you're going to have a lab 3A, stages of change. You're going to have a concept 3 key terms, concept 3 quiz. Then you're also going to have a lab 4C, physical activity attitude questionnaire. Then you're going to have a concepts 4 written assignment. And then you're also going to have a concepts 4 quiz. Okay, those will all be due again next Wednesday, February the 3rd. So if you look in your online course textbook for concepts 3, the title of that is Self-Management Skills for Health Behavior Change. Okay, which would be really, really great. I know that you obviously have an interest in changing your health behavior to lead a more healthy lifestyle. So this chapter is really going to go over the skills and it's going to tell you what is all involved in making that positive, healthy lifestyle change. Concept 3 is looking at preparing for physical activity. So preparing you for engaging in a physical activity program to promote or to increase your cardiovascular endurance, to increase your muscular strength and endurance. So this is a great chapter to get you started within your physical activity. If you have any questions in the class or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. And I'm really glad that you're in the class, and I really hope that you're getting a lot of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle for yourself. Take care and have a great week.